Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix we restrict certain activity to protect our community on Instagram. So if that error message is coming up on your Instagram, I'm going to show you what you can do to avoid that happening. So if you're wanting to know, I've just gone ahead and Googled it and tapped on images. So your notices might look something like this. We limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram to protect our community. We can also see something like this. It says try again later. We limit how often you can do things on Instagram, liking, following people to protect the community, and there are a bunch of other things. So the reason for this is because you might be liking, reacting, and sharing too much, and Instagram can't actually tell the difference between an actual human being and robotic activity. So if you are doing stuff too quickly, my suggestion is to just slow down and sort of pace yourselves in terms of trying to interact of the most part, because as I said, Instagram can't actually tell the difference between a bot and then an actual human that is just very, very quick with what he is or she is doing. So my suggestion then also is, if you are having this error, try again later. As it says, do give it some time, give it maybe 24 hours. You can maybe log out of your app and log back in. You might be able to actually then do it immediately. And then again, just make sure that you are not continuing with the very frequent, very quick activity. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.